powerful. That's the word that just came to my mind. Powerful. I realized that my voice is powerful. The way I look, there's power in that. The way what I say, there's power in that. And sometimes you might think to yourself, what I'm saying does not make sense. It would resonate with anyone, but often what you're going through is what someone in your similar situation is going through. You just have to say it and realize that collectively you can impact each other.
One thing that I'll be taking away from this program is realizing the leadership skills that I already have with myself, that I'm already successful, but it's just about unlocking my potential and not seeing me being black as a disadvantage, but actually using it as an advantage. And in the future is to just, it's okay to have difficult conversations and to bring up things that you think are opposing you. Like, it's okay to actually just use your voice, because that's the only way you'll make it, and that's one of the skills of being a leader.
The program has allowed me to tap into my potential. It made me realize the things that I often buried inside me.
I'd say if you're thinking of doing the program, just do it. Like, it is 2 full days. You're gonna miss lectures, you might miss labs, but in my opinion, it's actually worth it, because I've learned so much in just this final 2 days, and just being with so many other black people in this space has been so beneficial to me. So I think if you're thinking of doing it, just do it. Don't even think too hard about it.
It's been quite eye-opening. I've met a lot of new people who come to my university that I would have never met as well. We've had loads of interesting conversations, especially ones that you don't have in everyday life, because it's very much niche conversations, and that just go for it. Like, it's very eye-opening. That's one thing I'll say, and it's just nice to be in a room with those black students.
At first you might think to yourself, what would I get from this program? But this program would allow you to be the best person you could ever be. It would allow you to realize what your full potential are, the things that you think are limitations that are holding you back. The program would allow you to tap into that and make you realize that you as an individual, you're so powerful, and collectively in your community, in your black community, you can make a huge change and allow people to, you can set your own boundaries and don't let people treat you the way you don't want to be treated.